Thank you so much if you're a new client and you're joining us for the first time and taking a look at our portal. And for our existing clients, I'm super excited to show you our brand new portal that we have. So this is you're the client, you're logged in, you're looking at the portal, and you can see the different roles that are working within your virtual marketing department, right? So an example, if you had an SEO specialist, you'd be able to see who it's assigned to, any comments and conversations that are happening here, and also any subtasks, right? So this is their core responsibilities and very specific things that they're working on within a role within your marketing department, right? Awesome. Let's go ahead and move on real quick into the files section. Now into the files section, you'll be able to see all the files that we have for your project. So for images, you're going to be able to click on an image and you're going to be able to comment directly on an image if there's something you don't like. Look at that. Awesome. A team member or us or even you will be able to give feedback on a very specific comment. Now let me show you how awesome this is when it comes to videos. In this specific segment, if I decided to pause it here and want to give feedback, I'd be able to leave feedback right here. Now you're really going to love this. Let's say that we're managing your website or landing pages. We're going to be able to ask you feedback live on your website. Isn't that awesome? You're actually able to live give us feedback on your website that nobody else can see besides us and the internal team. Now, let me show you what happens whenever we need files from you. So when we request files from you, you're going to get a link like this where you can upload all your files, 5 gigabytes each, up to 50 files at a time. I click on select files to upload. I navigate where this file is. Let's give an example here. One of our recent social media posts. I'm going to hit upload. This is a 20 megabit file. It might be a little bit slower for you, but just that easy. When a file is uploaded, everybody in the company is notified about your most recent upload. Lastly, I'm just going to show you one more, what it looks like when you leave a feedback on a document. Document's a little bit different. You can look at a document, right? And then you can also leave comments here at the bottom. Okay, moving on towards the end of the video. You can see here that you can also manage your billing. So in this case, if you're a client and you had all of us as part of your virtual marketing department, you'd be able to see every single service you're currently enrolled in. Now, one of the last things I want to mention, this portal has also allowed us to organize our referral program a little bit better. So if you're a current client and you're looking to refer us, we want to give that back to you in the form of a referral program that is easy to track by a unique referral code or very unique referral link, but that will pay you out the referral fees. Now, quick thing I want to mention, you don't necessarily have to be in the portal if you don't want to be. Obviously, as a virtual marketing department, we always give you feedback via text, via email, and you'll be notified about anything that we need. All right, well, that's it for the video. I hope that this explains plenty and makes a lot of sense to you as much as it makes sense to us. This has been our biggest upgrade as a company, and I'm super excited for you to be a part of it.